Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Snowflake Wishes bundle. So for this card, I'm going to show you how to use the embossing folder Snowflake Wishes right here, or I'm sorry, Winter Snow. The stamp set is called Snowflake Wishes. And I'm going to show you how to ink this up to achieve this effect right here, where you get the ink inside the embossing folder. So I'm going to start with this piece of Whisper White right here, and the embossing folder. I've already got some ink on it, but I'm going to add some more. So I'm just going to take the Balmy Blue embossing folder, and I'm just going to add some ink by putting some ink directly onto the folder. And then I'm going to use, this is a new sneak peek product. This is a blending brush from our new January to June catalog, or January to July catalog. I can't remember which, but I'm just going to use this to brush the ink right on to the embossing folder. And I'm going to brush it in one direction. Okay, and then you can wash this off if you want to, or if you want to keep it the certain color, you could just like label it that certain color, Balmy Blue. I'm going to just label it and keep it that color. So I'm going to add the cardstock right inside here. And I'm doing the flat side of the embossing folder, the side that has the label, to get this effect. You could do the other side, but it would be a different effect. It would be the debossed side. You would have the snowflakes be colored instead. So here is the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. And I'm going to use the number 1 and number 3. Then the embossing folder with the folded side facing in towards the rollers, and then another number 3. And then I'm just going to roll this through nice and smooth. Okay. I'm just going to put this away. And let's see what we got. Ooh, pretty. Now you can just take this to the sink and wash this out, or you can use like a baby wipe or something, but I prefer just to take it to the sink and wash it out. That looks so cool. So now we can just add it to our base, Highland Heather. And I'm gonna use more adhesive than I normally do because it's embossed. Make sure that it is going to stick well. Okay. And I'm gonna use some of our Splendor Snowflake Splendor ribbon. So super pretty. You can even color this ribbon with the blends. I used it on a card and I colored it with Poppy Parade and it turned out gorgeous. It was so pretty. So I'm just going to wrap this around, and I'm going to use my scissors to cut off just a little bit right there. But I'm going to wrap this around here. And then I'm just going to add a bit of adhesive. Whoops, needed to go like that. Right there. Right there. And then I'm just going to add some dimensionals there just to make sure it stays down. that's all the regular dimensionals. And then I'll just add this to my Whisper White card base. And that's how you add some ink to your embossing folder. Make sure this card is right side up. So there we go. So now we're gonna do some embossing on this. I cut this out with the stitched nested dies. And I've got my little powder sack here. And some Versamark and some white embossing powder. And I've got my sentiment right here. Ink it up really well. And stamp it right in the middle. Some powder on there. And then find my tweezers, 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 disappeared. Okay, find my other tweezers. And we'll just melt this powder. All right, and we can put some dimensionals on this. And then I've added some Wink of Stella to my little snowflake pieces here. So let's add some Wink of Stella. Just color these in. Give them some more shimmery bling bling. Love Wink of Stella. Fun to add these glitter to everything. Can't add it to everything, but almost everything. And then part of the suite are these adhesive backed gems. So cool. It's got this blue and this dark blue, so we're gonna add those as well. So let's see here. Let's do one here and then one there. So we're kind of straddling the ribbon, hopefully a little bit. And then we can use glue dots for our snowflakes. We can tuck a snowflake up in here. And another one on the other side. About there. And then this one's going to be on top. Now we get to add these fun gems. So let's add a large one to the large snowflake here. Let's add these small ones to the other two. Trying to get this one. Come on, Jem. Okie dokie. And there we go. Love it. So here is our lovely embossed inked card. So I'm offering a class on Snowflake Wishes bundle, and you get 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. You just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use the November hostess code. Email me and let me know you'd like the Snowflake Wishes card class, and I will send it to you for free. Better yet, order a $50 order and you will be entered into my raffle to win the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Big Boss, and you will also receive my free tutorials for the month. So check that out on my website. I've got all the information there, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I have a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.